Stop by and take a look at the 2011 C-Class. Standing the test of time means never standing still. The C-Class is a stylish performer that embodies sophistication and intelligence and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist, traction control, airbags, driver, knee, cruise control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.